Hello, I'm Scout. This is Nala Bushcraft. I want to discuss sharpening stones. The only one I ever use for everything I got is a diamond. If you use a whetstone, which is like a rock like your grandpa or dad might have used, if you use oil on it, you gotta stick with using oil. If you use water on it, you gotta stick with using water. Water and oil don't mix. A diamond stone does not need oil. You can use it dry. Make sure you know your grits. This is very easy because it's not numbered, it just says coarse, and this one says fine. If there's a number on here, start off with the lowest number and work your way up to the highest number. If it's too rusty or too dull, get the rust off first. Use steel wool. But then go to like a coarse stone, which would be in like number 360 or 400. Then your next step would probably be a 600 or probably an 800. Lastly, you want to use 1000 or 1200. But go up in grit till you get the sharpness you want. Don't go backwards. And please do not do this. When you're sharpening a knife, make sure all your strokes are even, the same bevel every time. Slow, meticulous, but don't sit there and go so fast you run your blade where you got this freaking curve where the edge should be. You want to make sure every sweep is meticulous. That's all I got. Have fun.